Hi, this is Nick Cap, and I will be showing you how to use your Google Drive today. Basically, as part of this class, I want you to be able to use your Google Drive in order to get a URL to send it to me in our class. And so what you're going to do is go on to Google Drive. I have my Google Drive in here. Excuse me, I have a lot of different things inside of there. And I'm going to make a new folder, and I'm going to call that folder by Nick's Biology 240 Micro. Okay, and I create this folder, and there it is. And what I want to do is I want to share this folder with all of you or whoever I want to share it with. And so what I can do if I want to share that folder, I would right click on the folder, click on share, and then it gives me who I can share to. Now, one of the things that you may want to do is to share it to me at nick.cap@gmail.com. Okay, I could also share it to my friend Maria D'Aguilar, and she's already in. Here, Maria D'Aguilar, and so I'm just going to say, sorry, Maria, this is a test. Have a nice day. Okay, and so what this will do is it will send her out an email saying that we've shared it to you. I'd rather you not do that, because then I would get 70 emails saying have a nice day, and then maybe that would be a good thing. But what you also want to do inside of here is you can check and make sure that Nick's Biology has some files in it. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to give it a new, I'm not going to give it a new folder. I'm going to give it a new Google Docs. And I'll show you this. So create and share. So here's my new Google Doc, and this should say test document. Always put your name on stuff, and then what I really like about this is I can go over here and I can share it with people. And so since it's in this folder, it's already sharing with myself, Nick Cap, and Marie D'Aguilar. And then you could always get a link, and if you click on this change link, what you can do is anyone with the link, so it's still kind of a private document, but only people with this link up here can do it. And so, or we can say restricted, is that only people with that particular link can do it. And then what I want to say unrestricted, I could also give them, tell them that they could either be an editor, in which case they can change everything on it, or they can just be a reader on it. And so you want to make me an editor on it. And so, Nick, this is a document. Look here. If I want to put it in a table, do insert. I can put in a table. If I want to put a figure in that table, I go insert. The great thing is I can go image, and I can search my drive, or I can search my photos. This is searching the photos that are on my phone that I've linked up here. And then this is my daughter about 8 years ago at their first dance. So she's the one in the middle, and she's all embarrassed that I'm taking a photo, and that's about it. So if you notice here, you don't have anything like save or anything like that, because you can save this particular document. And what I'm going to do is, if I really like your document, or if I want to keep a copy of your document, I will download it and put it into my computer, or I can do something else. The great thing about this is if you make a spelling check, look here, and I put look her. And rather than send me a frantic email saying, Nick, I turned it in on time, here it is, you can go in there and look, H-E-A-R, look here. Is that, I always get those wrong. Look here, okay. So you can kind of change this document, and I'm kind of okay with that. That's how documents are. You have a deadline in here, and if I want to, I can shut it off on the deadline. But for the most part, when I, before I look at it, you need to make a little change like this, I'm okay with that. The second thing is I can go up here and I can see what those changes are. And so this says last edited. So this tells me who signed into the document and kind of what changes they made. and I can talk about that a little bit later. Okay? All right, so this is a way for you, and then, you know, again, when we look at it too, is you can go new, and you can do Google Sheets, create and share. And then here is a spread document, and we'll do it a little bit later. We can put some stuff inside of there. And so at 1 hour, we have 100 cells. And we'll go over that in a little bit later. Okay, this is NickCap, and this is a way for you to kind of share your document with me, but have it set up because you're giving me our URL. You can make changes to the document afterwards, but again, those changes are recorded. And again, once I give you a grade, that grade is final. So NickCap signing off.